It is a nice morning, Lucas. I am glad you came over for coffee.
Thank you, Carla. Your home always feels very welcoming.
Sit down, please. The coffee is fresh, and I made some muffins.
This table looks beautiful with the flowers and the food.
I try to make the table nice. A pretty table makes me feel calm.
It is true. In my home, the table is often messy. I want to change that.
Maybe you can add a small plant or a bright tablecloth. That helps.
Do you use this table every day or only for friends?
I use it every morning. I like to start the day here with breakfast and a book.
That sounds relaxing. I have breakfast at my desk, but the table is nicer.
Yes, sitting at the table helps me feel ready for the day.
Next month, I will buy a new table. I want one like this, round and wooden.
A round table is good for talking and sharing food.
Exactly. My family can sit around it and enjoy meals together.
Maybe you can invite me to your table after you get it.
Of course, I would love that.
Thank you for coming today.
It was a lovely morning. Have a great day, Carla.
It feels wonderful to sit here in the park.
Yes, I agree. The sun feels so nice on my face today.
Do you like being outside when it is sunny like this?
I do. I enjoy the sun. It gives me more energy and I feel happy.
Sometimes I feel sleepy in the sun, but in a good way.
Really? I always thought sunlight helps people wake up.
I like to read a book in the sun. I think it is relaxing.
That sounds nice. I sometimes listen to music outside when it is sunny.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to light jazz or soft pop. The music matches the warm weather.
Have you always liked the sun, even as a child?
As a child, I always played outside in the summer. The sun always made my days fun.
I remember going to the beach with my family. We would play in the sun all day.
The sun makes good memories, I think. It brings people together.
Yes, sunny days are special. They help me feel close to friends and family.
We should enjoy times like this. The sun does not shine every day.
I am glad we shared this sunny day together.
Thank you for being here, Sarah. I had a very nice time.
Thank you, David. Let us meet here again soon. It is nice to sit here in the park today.
Yes, the weather is perfect, and everything feels calm.
Do you come to this park often, David?
I sometimes come here on weekends. I like to watch the people and the birds.
That sounds peaceful. I enjoy reading near the trees sometimes.
That is a good idea. Maybe I should bring a book next time.
Books and parks go very well together, I think.
Did you see that little dog running near the path just now?
Yes, it looked so excited with its small tail wagging.
Dogs always look happy in parks. I like their energy.
Did you ever have a dog, David?
Yes, I had one as a child. We often played together in a park close to my old home.
That is a nice memory. Parks can make people remember good times.
Yes, and every time I sit here, I feel relaxed and happy again.
Shall we take a short walk around the park before we leave?
Yes, I would like that very much.
Thank you for spending this afternoon with me.
It was wonderful to talk with you, Laura.
Hello, David. I see you are reading again today.
Hello, Julia. Yes, I enjoy spending time here in the library.
What book do you have with you now?
It is a novel about travel. I picked it up because the cover looked interesting.
That sounds nice. I love books that tell a good story.
Me too. Sometimes I lose track of time when I find a great book.
I feel the same way. Last week, I read a mystery book. I could not stop reading until the end.
Really? That must have been a very exciting story.
Yes, it was. I think books can take us to different worlds.
Do you remember the title? Maybe I could read it next.
It was called Hidden Paths. It was easy to read, but full of surprises.
Thank you for the suggestion. I always look for new books to try.
Do you come to the library often, David?
Yes, I come here twice a week. I like the quiet, and there are many interesting books here.
Have you ever joined one of the library book clubs?
No, I have not, but I have seen the group meet in the corner room.
Maybe we can try it next month. It sounds like fun.
I would like that. Thank you for the idea.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy your book. See you soon.
Thank you, Julia. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Good morning, David. The weather is lovely today.
Good morning, Sophia. Yes, the sunlight feels so nice in here.
I see you brought some fruit for breakfast. That bowl looks beautiful.
Thank you. I picked up fresh apples and bananas at the market yesterday.
Bananas are my favorite. I eat one almost every morning.
That is a great habit. I try to eat more fruit, but sometimes I forget.
It is easy to forget, especially on busy days, but fruit gives good energy.
Do you have a favorite fruit, Sophia?
I love mango, but it is hard to find here, so I buy apples and oranges most often.
Mango is delicious. My sister makes smoothies with mango and yogurt.
That sounds tasty. I have never tried making a smoothie with fruit at home.
I can show you how. It is easy and you can mix any fruits you like.
Thank you, David. Maybe next time we can try to make one together.
That would be fun. For now, would you like an apple or a banana?
I will take a banana, please. Thank you for bringing all this fruit.
You are welcome, Sophia. Enjoy your banana and have a wonderful morning.
You too, David. Thank you for the nice company.
Hello, Clara. Are you leaving work now?
Hi, Roberto. Yes, I am about to go home.
Did you drive your new car today?
Yes, it is the first time I drove it to the office.
It looks very nice. Is it comfortable to drive?
Thank you, Roberto. It is very comfortable and quiet.
That is great. My old car makes so much noise. Maybe I should get a new one too.
How long have you had your car?
Almost 8 years. It is getting old, and sometimes it does not start easily.
That can be stressful. I used to worry when my old car would not start in the morning.
It can be annoying, but usually it works in the end.
Your car is strong then. Did you ever have a real problem with it?
One time the battery died in the supermarket parking lot. I had to call a friend for help.
Oh, I remember doing that once too. It is never fun to wait outside.
At least it is sunny today. Is everything working well with your car?
Yes, everything is perfect so far. I am very happy with it.
Are you planning a trip soon in your new car?
Yes, I want to visit my parents this weekend. It will be the first long trip.
That sounds wonderful. I wish you a nice drive and a lovely weekend.
Thank you so much, Roberto. Have a great day. This cafe feels so relaxing today.
Yes, I like how the sunlight comes in through the window.
Do you hear the music? It is so soft and calming.
I do. I think it makes the place feel peaceful.
Music can really change how we feel in a space.
I agree. At home, I always play music when I cook dinner.
That sounds nice. What kind of music do you choose for cooking?
Sometimes jazz, sometimes old pop songs. It depends on my mood.
Have you ever tried learning a musical instrument?
Yes, I played guitar in my college years. Now I just play a little at home.
I did not know that. Guitar is interesting. Do you still remember some songs?
Only a few. My fingers feel slow now, but the music makes me happy.
I think sharing music is special, with friends or family.
Yes, sometimes I play songs for my sister and we sing together.
That is wonderful. I sing sometimes, but only in the shower.
Maybe one day we can play or sing something together.
I would like that. Thank you for sharing your stories with me.
Thank you, Clara. It was a nice talk.
I am so glad you could come over, David. Welcome to my kitchen.
Thank you, Julia. Your kitchen looks very bright and cheerful.
I love spending time here, especially when the sun is shining like this.
What are we making today? I see many fresh vegetables on the table.
We will make a simple vegetable soup and fresh bread. It is one of my favorite meals.
That sounds perfect. I have never tried to make bread before.
It is easier than you think. We just mix flour, water, yeast, and a little salt.
Would you like me to start chopping the carrots? I can help with that.
Yes, thank you. Please chop the carrots and I will slice the onions. The kitchen will soon smell very nice.
I always enjoy the smell of onions and bread together. It feels very homey.
My grandmother used to say, the kitchen is the center of the home. I think she was right.
I agree. Some of my best memories are from the kitchen, talking and cooking with family.
Cooking together always makes me feel connected. Are you finished with the carrots?
Yes, here they are, all chopped. What should I do next?
Please add them to the pot. I will start mixing the dough for the bread now.
Can I watch how you make the dough? Maybe I can try it next time.
Of course you can. I can show you step by step. It is really fun and simple.
Thank you, Julia. I am learning a lot today.
You are always welcome here. Cooking together makes my day special.
Miguel, it is nice to sit here with you on this lovely day.
Thank you, Julia. I enjoy spending time outdoors, especially with a good friend.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I walk here almost every weekend. Sometimes I meet my friend Carlos for coffee nearby.
That sounds nice. I usually come here when I want to relax and read.
What kind of books do you like to bring?
I love stories about travel and friendships. A good book feels like a friend to me.
That is true. Books can keep you company when you are alone.
Yes, but it is also great to sit here and talk with a real friend like you.
Thank you, Julia. Good friends make life brighter.
I agree. Friends are important, especially on busy days. They help us enjoy the simple things.
Yes, a friendly chat in the park can be the best part of the week.
Do you remember when we met by chance at the library?
Yes, I do. I was looking for a book and you offered to help. That was a lucky day.
I am glad we talked. Now we both have a good friend to share moments like this.
Me too. Thank you for being such a loyal friend.
Thank you, Miguel. I always feel good after our talks.
Have a wonderful rest of your day, Julia.
Daniel, thank you for coming over today. How are you?
I am very well, Lisa. Your living room looks very comfortable.
Thank you. I bought this sofa last month. It makes the room so cozy.
It feels very soft. Where did you get it?
I found it at a small shop near my office. They had many choices.
I need a new sofa too. Mine at home is old and not comfortable now.
I remember your old one. It was always a bit too small.
Yes, it is small. When I sit with my brother, there is no space.
You should try a bigger sofa, or maybe one with soft cushions.
Do the cushions make a big difference? These feel great.
Yes, I think so. I like to relax here with a book or listen to music.
It sounds like a nice way to spend the afternoon.
Do you want to sit here and have some tea? The sofa is big enough for both of us.
That sounds perfect. I like talking with you here.
Me too, Daniel. It is nice to have a friend to share these small moments.
Thank you for inviting me. I feel very welcome here.
Thank you for coming. It is always nice when you visit.
I will come again soon. Have a great afternoon, Lisa.